So let's dive into the first story, and it has to do with our friends over at Commvault because they are enhancing their capabilities in cloud resiliency by acquiring Appranix, a startup that specializes in cloud application recovery. Appranix was founded in 2016 by Govind Rangasamy, and it's based in Boston. They quickly restore applications disrupted by outages or cyber attacks, leveraging cloud storage and advanced services. With this acquisition, Commvault aims to merge its risk management and recovery tools with Appranix's cloud native rebuild technologies, broadening its offerings to include both data and application resiliency. Stephen, you're very familiar with Commvault and their offerings. What is Appranix going to bring them?
Yeah, this is interesting. I didn't really know much about Appranix before this announcement, but of course we follow Commvault pretty closely, and so I took a look at it. It looks kind of cool. Essentially, this is a product that is designed for cloud native applications, and if the application fails, let's say it gets attacked by malware or hacked, or there's just an outage or whatever, Appranix will automatically basically reset all the stuff, make all that cloud infrastructure restart, reconfigure, make sure everything works right. And this is pretty neat because, as you can imagine, a lot of these applications that are running in SaaS have a lot of configuration involved with them. I mean, if your application is running some, cloud instances here, and you're using this service and this SaaS and this other thing over here, all that stuff is going to take a little bit to reconfigure, if you even know how it was configured in the first place. And it looks like a Pranix Copilot basically does that stuff for you. It keeps track not only of where you are and how you're configured, but then it'll go back in there and reconfigure it in the event of an outage. This makes a lot of sense as a combination with some of the things that Commvault is already doing, because of course data protection is part of a bigger high availability and resiliency story. So again, I wasn't really aware of this product before, but now that I am, I definitely see how it lines up nicely with what Commvault is doing. And I expect similar solutions to be part of the arsenal of many of these other companies in the data protection space.